Join me as I dive into the latest SUNE stock update and try to predict what's next for this investment. The energy sector has been quite dynamic lately, and SUNE stock has been making some waves. As a key player in the industry, its performance can give us insights into broader market trends. If you're invested in SUNE or just keeping an eye on it, this update is for you. SUNE is currently navigating some tough market conditions. With fluctuating energy prices and increasing competition, it's a challenging environment for any player in the sector. The company's been dealing with its own set of issues, including adjusting to changes in global demand and regulatory pressures. These factors have been weighing on its stock, causing some volatility. Another challenge SUNE faces is the transition towards renewable energy sources. As the world shifts towards greener options, traditional energy companies like SUNE have to adapt quickly. This transition brings both opportunities and risks, and how SUNE manages this shift will be crucial for its future. Investors are keeping a close eye on how the company innovates and evolves. The global economic landscape also plays a significant role in SUNE's performance. With potential recessions looming and geopolitical tensions affecting oil prices, the market is full of uncertainties. For SUNE, staying resilient and responsive to these changes will be key to maintaining investor confidence. It's a delicate balance, but one that's essential for the company's long-term success. Recently, SUNE released its quarterly financial report, which showed mixed results. While the company saw an increase in revenue compared to the previous quarter, its profit margins were slightly lower than expected. This was largely due to increased operational costs in a challenging market environment. Despite these challenges, the company remains optimistic about its future prospects. SUNE also announced a new partnership with a leading tech firm to develop more efficient energy solutions. This collaboration aims to leverage cutting-edge technology to reduce costs and enhance sustainability. Such strategic moves are crucial for SUNE as it looks to stay competitive and adapt to changing market demands. Expert opinions on SUNE stock are varied, with some analysts predicting a potential upswing due to its strategic initiatives. Others, however, are more cautious, citing the inherent risks in the energy sector. What's clear is that SUNE's next steps will be critical in determining its stock's trajectory. The financial reports and news events surrounding SUNE paint a complex picture. On one hand, the company has shown resilience in the face of adversity. On the other, the path forward is fraught with challenges. For investors, staying informed and agile will be key. One important insight to consider is SUNE's potential for growth in the renewable energy space. With its recent investments in solar and wind projects, the company is positioning itself for a greener future. This strategic shift could pay off in the long run, especially as governments worldwide implement stricter environmental regulations. However, risks remain, particularly in terms of execution and market competition. If SUNE can successfully navigate these challenges, it could see significant growth. But there are no guarantees in the stock market, and investors should be prepared for volatility. The next few months will be critical for SUNE as it continues to implement its strategy. Any major announcements or shifts in its operations could significantly impact its stock price. Keeping an eye on these developments will be essential for anyone with a stake in SUNE. In conclusion, SUNE's stock update presents a mixed bag of challenges and opportunities. From market fluctuations to strategic partnerships, there's a lot at play. The key takeaways are SUNE's resilience, its efforts to adapt to a changing market, and the risks and rewards that come with its strategic shifts. What do you think about SUNE's future? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you're looking for more financial updates and stock analysis, be sure to check out my previous videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.